Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this video is for those who want to go to Canada. If you're planning to go to Australia, New Zealand, UK, don't watch this video, okay? I mean, this is step-by-step guide, and through this video you're going to understand how to apply for a study visa for Canada. Before I proceed, I would like to thank Mr. Ali, who is a good friend of mine, and he is working with PTE, Pearson Test of English, as a business development manager. So thank you so much, Ali, for this kindness. And actually he is sharing a lot of stuff with me, and those who are planning to go to Australia, Canada, even UK, now we've got PTE UKVI as well. So Ali, cheers and thank you for your support and guidance. Alright guys, now in order to go to Canada, first of all, what you need to do, just a second, I tell you, I'll just guide you about all these things, right? So first of all, what you need to do, that is your letter of acceptance, and you get that letter of acceptance from university. What happens, you apply for any good university, right? And once you are accepted by any university, they send you a letter of acceptance, right? And this letter will come from a post-secondary, most important part, very important here, okay? It comes from, yeah, let's just get a good color. Yellow will do. This letter will come from a post-secondary but designated learning institution. If your institution is not designated learning, now there is a list of colleges, institutes, universities, and they are recognized by Canadian government, right? So those are called designated learning institutions, DLIs, okay? Don't just say it is abuse in Punjabi, it's DLI, okay? Don't try to even read it, yeah? Okay, so this DLI, I mean, you need to get admission in one of the universities, which is prestigious university and all that, and apply with your documents, credentials and all that, and they're going to send you letter of acceptance. Yahoo! First thing is done and the issue is resolved here. Now let's go on. After that, step number 2, you guaranteed investment certificate. Your guaranteed investment certificate, what is it? For student direct stream, not everything. Okay, here we are. For student direct stream, SDS, you need to actually put 10, or you need to deposit 10,000 Canadian dollars in your account, right? This is what we call student direct stream. When you apply through student direct stream, your visa is processed sooner than the normal stream. So your guaranteed investment certificate that you have deposited 10,000 Canadian dollars, and that money is yours and you can spend it once you land in Canada. You will need to show evidence of 10,000 Canadian dollars or more. Check the visa requirements for the full criteria listings, okay? So this is the next step number 2. I mean, if you're planning to go to Canada, you can just follow all these steps. Now let's go on. Next, step number 3. What is it? English proficiency score report. Very important. Let me tell you, if you get the visa, if you get admission and you don't have English proficiency score report, I mean, then you will not be able to get the visa, because embassy will issue you the visa. That's important. So this is where the new thing comes in, and that is take PTE academic, right? Now those who find IELTS difficult, especially IELTS reading 3 long passages and all that, then IELTS writing 1 essay, 1 report, okay, IELTS listening part 3, part 4 full of multiple choice questions. So those who find IELTS difficult, for them PTE is a wonderful choice. There are 20 fun type question types in IELTS in PTE, and you can easily do them, right? I mean, 20 types of questions, and the questions are read aloud, retell lecture, describe image. It's all fun and you can easily go through them, and that's why a vast majority of students who are weak at English or are weak in English, they are now actually switching from IELTS to PTE, and as PTE is coming under limelight, so things are getting better for PTE. But I've started teaching PTE as well because I need to cater for those students who are not very good at English, and for them IELTS is a nightmare. So PTE academic and achieve a minimum overall score of 60. Now in IELTS you need 6 band overall from 10th August, but for now 6 each. Now if I compare 6 band of IELTS with 60 score of PTE, I would say getting 60 in PTE is easier, right? Especially for weak students, especially for +2 intermediate students, so they can just get that. And PTE is online test, your computer skills must be good. You take this test online, 2 hours test, and you get the results within like short time. Okay, now let's go on, and then you need to pay your tuition fee. One of my students, she got rejection from Canada and she got admission, and on the basis of only admission she applied for visa, and they said, where is your fee? You didn't pay the fee. So without fee payment, your visa is going to be in danger, right? So tuition fee proof of payment, provide proof of payment to your designated learning institution for your first year of study. For Canada, you need to pay 1 year fee. This is important. For full 1 year, you've got to pay, right? And then finally, that's going to be it, right? Step number 6. Medical examination report, usually we call it TB test and all that stuff, right? So there is that medical examination report. Yeah, I missed this point. I had thought that I missed something. Come out. Yeah. Before that, yeah, tuition fee. So your academic background, give evidence of your most recent secondary if you're applying for graduation level, or post-secondary educational transcript. And let me tell you, if your last degree is 5 years old, 10 years old, then the chances for getting visa are going to be very, very minute chances, okay, blur chances, because they prefer those who are fresh people, right? Fresh people are preferred actually for that. So this thing, and then we move on. Okay, from here, next we've got your medical examination report that you are fit, you don't have any disease or anything like that, so you just need to go on with that, and you need to provide medical report, submit proof of completion of an upfront medical examination from a panel physician for certain applicants, check the criteria and all that stuff. And then finally, and for those wishing to study in Quebec, you will need a Quebec acceptance certificate, a letter of approval, and be prepared. Check out the Government of Canada website and you will get all the information about that. And then be yourself in English. Be yourself means the level of English you have, improve that English, and you can follow this Pearson Pearson languages, discover new content and get real about English. It will improve your language skills. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach PTE and IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my IELTS or PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. We also provide test booking service for PTE and for IELTS in Pakistan. If you want to book your IELTS exam through us, you can contact us for that. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.